Here's a really common use case that we see here at Enso. You've got a list of files. In this case, we've got the months of January through December in a folder called 2024-AR, and we need to analyze them as if they're one big file. And we need some way to bring those together. But we've got a couple of challenges. The first one that you might notice is the table on the bottom, which is from November, has one extra column, days past due. That does not exist in the file above. And then there's a slight ordering difference here. So invoice number and customer name and invoice number. But we want to bring these together again as one logical file. So I'm going to use a data.list component, which does what it sounds like. It's going to read a directory. So we just point to the directory that we're interested in. We'll give it a filter, which is optional, but we'll give it a filter for what kind of files are we looking for. And all that that's done is it's given us back this list. The next step is we've got a component called data.readMany. And what we do here is we just pass in that list of paths from above. And we now have one file that has all of those columns. It also has days past due. And days past due is, this happened to be from April, is going to be nothing because it didn't have any value there. If I sort this, you'll see at the top, days past due is all nothing. As we get down to the later part of the year, we start to get that information filled in. So we're able to handle new columns and just simply note that there's nothing in the data where that column did not exist in the original source data. It's also really flexible. So if I start choosing some options here, the default is as a merge table, but now that I've explicitly chosen it, I've got this new drop down here. The default is in any, so we see days past due. If I pick in all, it's just took off days past due because it only existed in a couple of files, and it let us know, gave us a warning that we've dropped some of those columns. We also could have given this an explicit list of columns that we want to keep, and it will keep those. So very simple in Enso, and maybe a bit more problematic in some of the data prep solutions that we've all used in the past. If you want to try this out for yourself, this workflow is available in the link below, and you can download Enso at ensoanalytics.com. Thanks so much.